Hello everyone, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today you will find out how to use Discord in PlayStation 5. Let's go. Press the PlayStation button. Game base, Discord, link account. Scan the QR code from the phone on which Discord is installed or log into your account manually. That's it, your contacts and servers will be displayed here. On the PlayStation 5, only voice chats are available in the Discord. You can't write. To call someone, select a contact. Start voice chat. Game activity is also displayed. What about the servers? Only voice chats are available. That's it. Now you know how to use Discord in PlayStation 5. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.